Good morning, traders. Today is 11th April 2022. Let's see what market can give us today. Today is a Monday. The fresh beginning was happened on Friday. Friday, Bank Nifty did not give much. It was all about freak trades. What do I mean? Freak trades. The market just goes haywire. Generally, what I mean to say is market just goes all the hits the stop loss, comebacks again, hits the stop loss, comebacks because Friday was the RBI announcement. So what happens is whenever there is an announcement, if you come to know, for an intraday trader, the risk factors are very high, okay, because the money we lose immediately, and we see the live market happening then and there, okay. So it's more about patience. So since the market rotates or the market moves like haywire, like immediately, like crazy, whatever you want to name it, so market is like it tests our patience, okay, generally. So what do I suggest is one day before the RBI announcement and the same day and the very next day, okay, avoid using, especially the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is connected to RBI. So I would suggest personally avoid using on that particular day because it's always good to be on a safer zone. Okay. So avoid using the Bank Nifty when there is an announcement. So guys, were you able to hear me? Just type yes in the comment box. That will be very, very helpful for me, for the new joinees. So, okay, please type yes if you're able to hear me. If not, I can do some adjustment here and there. Okay, so we saw on Friday the Nifty was a very strong moment because there it's really nice. Okay, it's really nice that Nifty went, but still it ended some stop loss. It went really good around big point. It moved around 150 points, I guess. So I'm just talking the average numbers, okay, not the exact numbers. So let's see what market can give us today. Let's see, let me share the screen for you. Let's see, let's check the market profile for now. Okay, so market profile, the Bank Nifty was sideways. The sentiments and emotion never changed. So we don't have sentiments or emotion towards the market as a trader. Okay, as an intraday trader, we don't have. So please remember to do three things every day. Okay, one is do your risk assessment. That is your risk reward ratio. Please work on your risk reward ratio. So that will be a very information and very helpful for you. That will groom you as a professional trader. Okay, so you need to develop your skill set. The skill set starts from risk and risk assessment. So every day morning, see what is your capital you have for per day. Okay, if you're trading in Bank Nifty, what is the number of lots I can trade? If you're nifting, if you're trading in Nifty, what is the number of lot you can trade? What is the number of what is the points I can take a risk and profit, like 1:1 or 1:2? It depends. Okay, what market can gives, we will take it up. So Nifty is slightly down 44 points pre-market. It's not, it's opened up, but it's not settled as yet. Okay, and the second thing, first thing is a risk reward. Second thing, make your mindset that I'm going to save my capital. Put it in your subconscious that I'm going to save my capital whatsoever for tomorrow, because we saw Friday was the sideway market. Okay, I hope you guys followed me and you never took a trade. Okay, so that way you're not even paying for brokerage. Okay, who is making money end of the day? Brokerage guys making money end of the day. So save your capital for tomorrow. That is second thing. And the third important, very important. Okay, I'm going to end up my day in green. Okay, so don't have a mindset that I'm an IT professional, I work part-time, I spend 1.5 hours or 2 hours, or my background is XYZ, I come from this one, I spend so much of time in trading that I'm going to take 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh. Okay, please don't have a mindset, because market doesn't know who really you are. It doesn't know your name. It doesn't know who you are. What is your mindset? What is your psychology? Okay, all it goes is, it goes just like that based on the orders or the operator or exchange. Correct. So don't have a mindset that I'll make this much of money. Just think that I will end up my day in green. Okay, take whatever the market gives. That's very important, right? We need to take whatever the market can give us today. And let's not fight with the market whatsoever. It is not right, it is not wise. Okay, if you make one trade which is lost, that's okay, leave it, we'll see tomorrow, do a paper trading, learn something new, right? So in case people, there is a new course has been launched yesterday night. Okay, I took a lot of time to do reworking on that. So yesterday night, the course has been launched. It's a free course. It talks about the understanding of market momentum, how the market moves, how the orders is executed. Okay, what is called buy, what is called sell, and okay, why order flow analysis? Does that make sense to you? Why you need to go for this tool? Why not the other tool? So there is a slight justification there, which is quite convincing. So even if you're not convinced, don't worry, just do some paper trading, do some analysis. Okay, do some analysis. Definitely, it makes sense to you. Okay, don't come to the conclusion immediately. Take your time, do your analysis, do some homework. Then you will understand why Ramesh is behind our order flow analysis, right? In the end, I talk about a lot of things like what is the demand zone, what is the supply zone, how the new demand zone has been created, what is the supply zone is being created. When the market takes out the supply zone, what happens to the market? It moves exponentially high, right? So with the examples of the graph, I've spoken to you in the new course which has been launched last night, and that is totally free. Okay, that is just for you guys to understand end part, how the exchange works with the help of order flow analysis, how wisely you can take a trade. Okay, taking a trade is all about possibility, guys. It's a probability ratio, the success ratio. How do you measure it? Okay, so it's all about probability ratio. Nobody can predict 100% market. Okay, so we all try to become 100. Okay, so it is all about probability. So please make your mind that is a probability ratio using a order flow analysis. So in the end, I used a graph to explain you in a practical way. So that will help you to understand in a pictorial way what is demand zone, what is supply zone, what is 1:1. You know, in case if you're taking a risk of 1%, that is 1:1 ratio, that's say 10 points. How much you can expect based on the demand and supply zone? Is it 1%, that is 1:1 ratio, or 1:2 ratio? What is that level of profit or the ratio percentage you can expect using a order flow analysis, using a simple terminology called order flow, which is a methodological way of trading. It is everything in front of you. How many buyers are there? How many sellers are there? And why does the market moves? Everything, it's a justified and it's a pictorial representation. So don't expect that one day I will master it. Okay, I took a lot of time. Okay, my experience, I'm talking to you, I took a lot of time to understand this tool. Okay, it takes little experience. We need to have patience. Okay, understand what is delta, why does that delta moves, what is cumulative delta, what is delta diversion, what is exhaustion. By the way, shortly I'm adding a chapter in the 1,000 points that is called exhaustion level, because that will help you to understand where does the market and why does the market pulled back. Correct, market all of a sudden creating a higher high, okay, and it pulled back down. Why did it pull back? So we need to understand, for example, this Nifty. Okay, see, the market was going high, correct? The market, it was going high on Friday, and it pulled back. What was the exact reason it pulled back? Okay, and again it went on top, again pulled back. Why the market pulled back? I know market is not static, it's dynamic. Okay, I understand that. So, but still, it dropped a big volume. Okay, why? Exhaustion. What is exhaustion? Okay, how do you identify the exhaustion zone? Very important, because that will help you on stop loss trailing. Okay, what does the exhaustion points help you? Stop loss trailing. So that's very important. So that chapter in this week, I'll be adding up in the 1,000 point strategy. So people who have already taken the course, please go through that. That will add value for your trading system. Okay, trading system is all about systematic and professionalism. Okay, so guys, I'm really sorry if my voice is a little roughy, because I've been recording a lot of things. So So that way I'm little, my voice is little roughy. Okay. So I'll try to speak less. Okay. So market opened, market opened. Okay. Bank Nifty future is 277 points lower. It's a gap down. And Bank Nifty index is 160 and Nifty future. Okay, let me share the screen for you so that we all are on the same page. So Nifty future is 160 point plus and index is 15. Okay, so now let's get into the market, because once the market is settled, that is when we will understand. It's easy to read the market profile. Okay, so Bank Nifty future. Okay, what you see right now in the right side is a Bank Nifty future chart. The left is the Nifty future chart. It is not a index or an option. Okay, it is a future. So Bank Nifty is plus 277. Okay, it's opening at 38,042. 38,042, this level. Okay, 042. Guys, it's very important to understand or the read the market. Okay, it is very, very important, because if you know how to read the market, you can take a wise call. Yes, today is a trending market or no. Okay, so guys, two things can happen in the zone. Okay, because it is opening between or a little above the value area. So what is value area? It has been explained. How to calculate has been explained in the course. It's opening in the zone. So either it can come down, first possibility, or it can give a open drive strategy. Okay, okay, one is failed auction. It can come down. Okay, it's a not action, it's a fail auction. That is one strategy. Second strategy, it can open and go up. That is open drive. In case it opens and comes back, it is an open test and then it will pull back. It's an open test strategy, open test drive. So all these three strategies been explained in the course material. Okay, with the proper drawings. Okay, so any layman can understand that. So market is opened. Let's refresh the page. Let's see what strategy we can use it today. Option traders, just be ready. Okay, just be ready. Anytime I can tell you the trade. So just be ready, because I'm getting a good volume, not a great volume. It's a good volume. So just be ready, just be ready, just be ready. Okay, 37,571 option traders, that is the support zone. Okay, let's wait for it to break. Okay, so let me put a drawing for you so that you guys understand practically. 37,571. Okay, it's because it's a pullback. Okay, how do I calculate all this number? It's there in the course, guys. Okay, so everything is there. I just have a little bit of practical knowledge and experience. This comes with an experience. Okay, any strategies you're following, please follow. Anybody you're following, please follow them rigorously. Okay, don't expect the result immediately. Don't shift. You need to do a lot of homework. Okay, okay, so let's expect what is happening today. Okay, so okay, so where is this guy? The volume became neutral right now. Okay, the market is within the sentiment is not being changed. Okay, can you guys see here? The market sentiment is within the ratio. If it goes down, we can expect a good pullback. That is the reason I put 37,551 as the support zone. And for the Bank Nifty future, guys, 37711. Okay, I'm just putting a rough number there. Okay, that is the support zone. So let's see. Let's see. He's breaking. He can track 37,657. Okay. So let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Take 37,800 PE. Buy above 500. The target is 530. Guys, one trade. 37,800. 37,800. Okay, 37,800. It's a quick trade. Okay, it's a quick trade. 37,800. The market is little volatile. Okay. By the way, yeah, it's 37,800 PE and entry is 500. Keep a first target of 530. Then once it is achieved, we will go further. Okay. So what is the stop loss? I posted in the group. Okay. So that will help you. So let's wait. Let's wait for the entry. Let's wait for the entry. Okay, because this guy tagged this level. And future guys, once it goes today's low, it can tag 37,656. Okay. It has all odds to tag 37,656. Future guys. Okay. Little more volume has to pile up. So you can tag this zone because this is a support zone. I don't know. The system is very slow. I have a good internet speed. It's 200 Mbps, but still. Okay, so it's rotating. Okay, so let's wait. 37,800 PE. It has been shared in the group. Okay, it has been shared in the group. Keep that strike in your list. Okay, we will wait for the trade to come, guys. We will not chase candle. If it is, we are not getting, let's wait. We will not chase any candle because when the market is within the range, we are not going to do any excitement game here. Okay, it's a real time money. It's your hard-earned money. I understand. So let's play safe. Okay, see why? Can you guys see here? This is the value area. Why the value area? I've explained with the bell curve. Okay, so let's wait for this guy. Okay, because market sentiment is neutral. Market sentiment is neutral. You need to be very careful. Okay, very careful. Very careful. Okay, so let's wait. It's a 37,800p is dancing at 466. Correct. So we put it here. It's 13th April. That is this Thursday. Just be careful, guys, on that. So this is one strike. We got it right now. So let's wait. Market is sideways. Okay, it is playing within the range. Okay. Can you guys see the Bank Nifty future is playing on the level which I marked? Okay, the level which I marked is playing there. So as a trader, this is very important. Okay, it's very important to understand the markets, how to play safe, the support and the resistance. Okay, this is very important. So let me check on the Bank Nifty. Is also dancing there. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let me check for the Nifty. Nifty is coming down. Wow, that's good news. How many wants a trade in Nifty? Because I don't know. Because if anybody wants a trade in Nifty, we can try in that as well. Okay, I can start giving the trade on that as well. So because it takes little time for me to work on that. So let me refresh the page. And Nifty can easily tag this level. So let's wait because we don't have a good volume. So I'm just waiting for the volume to come. We trade on volume. Yes, we trade on volumes. We trade on volumes. The volumes are on the seller side. Okay, the volumes are on the seller side, the good, but only thing we need to wait for the breakout. So that's the reason I gave 37,800. The entry is 500. Okay, and then you can expect a good fall. Right now it's 470 range. Okay, just keep one trade. Okay, one good trade in your watch list. So this guy is dancing at the levels which we marked earlier. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait. Sellers are holding the upper hand right now, but we need aggressive sellers. Yeah. Let's wait. Let's wait. Patience, patience, patience. Let's wait. Let's wait. The Nifty is pulling back. The Nifty is pulling back. Okay, so let's see. Guys, maybe from next week, I'll be starting some of the stocks for tomorrow. Okay, in case if you have any stocks in the mind, maybe by after the trade, if you could drop me a message on the Telegram, I'll pick up and I'll try to find a entry stop loss target for stocks for tomorrow. Okay, so let's keep it 3 or 4 stocks, whichever you feel like, share it with me. Okay, so I'll wait. I'll see if that stock is trending upward or downward. So we will do it. Earlier we used to do it, and out of 3 we used to get 3 trades easily. So let's start that from next week, preferably, so that we need not to wait like this, because we need to value our time, right? So that's the reason we may get a good strike, good entry in stock as well. Let's wait. What's the time? 9:30. So what does the stock market teach us? Patience. So this is a strong support zone actually for Bank Nifty future 37,710, 37,711. So this is a zone, it is little supportive, it's holding as a support. So let's wait for the support level to break or to break down or break out. Okay, so breakdown is nothing but breaking the support level, breakout is nothing but the creating a demand zone. Okay, so that has been explained in the course. It's totally free, guys. Spend your time. Okay, spend your time. I took a lot of time to analyze and do articulate and a lot of things. So I would request after completing, please drop a feedback in the bottom of it. So it'll help me for me to give more topic on that. I may cover on price actions as well. Based on the feedback, I will put price action topic sooner or later. I will definitely put it across. So let's wait. Let's wait. The bank nifty is within the range. So keep 37,800 PE in the list in case if it comes to 500 or 505, buy above 500. Okay, put a GTT. Basically, GTT is nothing but good to trigger or whatever the brokerage you're using. It's like a limit order based on the functionality, based on the terminology, what they use. Uh, you need to know that. So based on that, you can give an entry. So let's wait for the market to come to our level. Okay, let's not chase any candle there. Let's see what market can give us today. Yeah. Let me refresh the screen. This guy is pulling back at the zone. Okay. Nifty, if you want, you can trade in the P side right now. Okay. The volumes are little big in the P side. Okay. Because I'm using Monday chart for you. So you can see it's within the yesterday's range. Okay. So it'll rotate. So that you can do that. Yeah. Let's see. Market is within the range, guys. It's within the range. So we need to be very, very careful. The Bank Nifty future is trying to break out. Okay, it's trying to break out this level. Mhm. But the stop loss is very high. We can enter here around 50 to 60 points. We can expect him to tag here, but the stop loss is very high. Okay, so we need to be very careful. Okay, we can't keep a big stop loss. Yes, it's raising, sir, but the stop loss is very high, correct? See, for example, even if you enter this range, Okay, even if you enter at this range above this, okay, you can keep a target on this. How many points? Is hardly 30 points, but what is the stop loss? Okay, that's very big. Okay, it's close to 200 points. So not a wise, not a wise. I wouldn't suggest it. So we need to be a little wise in investment, right? We need to know where to invest, why to invest, justification. Market will move. Okay, but taking huge risk is not advisable. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. See, if it's raising, you can tag easily 37,849 also. Okay, where is that? Where is that? Right now is dancing at this level, correct? The future. So that's April. You will tag 849 easily. So, okay, so yes, all odds too, because this is a support. See, it tagged, but the risk ratio was big, right? For 30 points. It tagged the 30 points, but risk reward was, risk was pretty high. So we need to be very careful on that part. Let's wait, okay? Let's wait. Let's not be in a hurry. Let's wait. It just quickly came down, huh? You guys can try one thing, 37,500 CE. Keep 37,500 CE, 37,500 CE, which is okay, buy above 500. Okay, buy above 500. It's dancing at 477. In case if it's going okay to this level, it's a quick trade, guys. 37,500 CE. Okay, buy 37,500 CE. Let's keep this guy also. Whichever way the market is moving, we have to make money. Okay, I gave it in the Telegram group. The entry is 500. Okay, entry is 500. If it's triggering, nothing like it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Okay, so let's go for it. Keep it's triggered actually. 440 is the stop loss. Go with a lesser volume. Okay, go with a lesser volume. 505, 58 is volatile, is pretty volatile. Okay, so futures you can enter this also. It is going. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. One trade, we got entry at 37,500 CE. Let's see if he can give us a good trade. Five not 7. 507, which is actually good. 510, okay, 510. He will tag easily 37,901, easily 37,901. Okay, 520, guys, 521. Okay, 521. Okay, trail your stop loss. Don't wait for big. I'm just waiting for another till what event? 23. Come on, come on. You can go to 30. First target, okay. 25, 28. Okay. Two more points, two more points. He reached the target. Okay, reached the target 530. So trail your stop loss, guys. Trail your stop loss. So we got one beautiful trade in CE. Okay, one beautiful trade. So let me post it in the group. I forgot. Okay. It reached 547. That's nice. One good trade, we got it. Okay, one good trade, we got it. We got one good trade. It reached 547. Nice. Options, you need to be very quick, sir. Can't help it. You need to be very, very quick. And moreover, it came back and you went. Okay, it came back and you went. Now you can expect little bit of dancing. Okay, you can expect little bit of dancing for another 5 to 10 minutes, because it's the zone of dancing zone. So people who have booked the profit, very good. So one target, we got it at 530. So we got one beautiful trade, 37,500 CE. So guys, remember, whichever the market goes, we take a trade. We don't have any emotions. We don't have any sentiments toward the market. Okay. It's end of the day, two things: save your capital and end up in green. Okay. So trailer stop loss. So that's one good trade. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Beautiful. I tried my best to give you guys. Okay, this guy's reached this level. Okay, that's nice. Let's see if we can get one more trade. Okay, we got one good trade. Guys, one thing, it's not only about making money. Okay, it's about understanding the concept. Okay, it's understanding the concept. So that's very important. And save your capital, because losing is very easy. Okay, earning is very, very tough. Okay, so where is one more trade? He pulled back, he pulled back. Let me check on the market profile. Okay, let me share the screen for you. Let's utilize this pullback time for knowing something. Okay, knowing something. Guys, this is the A period. Okay, we are in the A period. Okay, so let's see what it can give it to us. It's coming down. It's coming down. See, it's dancing within this zone. See, why I gave that trade as 37 500 CE, because see, this is a control center, point of control. It acts as a point of control, which is like a magnet, which I explained to you in the course, and what it influence, how it influence, and why it is important. Everything is there in the course. So not only understanding the course, you need to do some homework, sir. Yes, you need to do some homework to understand more. Okay, it takes little time. Okay, it takes little time for you to do some homework and understand why factors, right? Because overnight we can't become a great trader, correct? It takes little time. We need to put some effort. We need to, it's like taking 100 trade as a target, out of which what is your winning ratio out of 100, all that we need to do. Okay, let's wait, it's pulling back the zone. So we got one good trade, we got one good trade, one good trade. Okay, sorry. So let's hold for some more time, because don't mind guys, my throat is little bad, okay, because of recording things and all. So my throat is little bad. Please don't mistake me. I'm trying my best to give you the best. Okay. Uh, right after the call, I will hunt for something in Bank Nifty futures and Nifty also from today. Why I give after Nifty, Bank Nifty future is because one very wise I will tell you, okay, because there is a decay. Okay, anytime the contract decay can happen, and say if it is not, I give a strike, enter at 500 now. After half an hour or 1 hour, if that market rotates and comes back, you need to be very careful on the decay factor, right? The bank nifty option might move or future might move, but the strike is not moving. Okay, that is the reason I don't give later on. Okay, because you guys may not think sometime. Okay, sometime you may miss out. It happens, human tendency. Nobody's perfect. Okay, sometimes, okay, the strike is coming, let me take it. After you enter, the market is moving, but strike is not moving. Correct. So to avoid those consequences, later part of it, I give most of the time in bank nifty future and options as well. But with your experience, you need to choose your strike. But don't wait for big, okay, after 10:30 or something like that, because market becomes little sober. I mean to say little slower. Okay. So I told you guys it's a pullback and it'll rotate for 5 to 10 minutes. It's happening. Okay, it's happening. So let's see. And because that's a zone, okay, that's a zone. So now this pullback zone, how do I calculate it? I'm putting that course very shortly, maybe in a day or two. Okay, so that's called exhaustion zone or divergence zone. You will understand that in detail shortly. Okay, so what else, what else, what else? So I'll keep a tab once we wind up the call. I'll keep a tab and I'll try to give it. So that is a reason. I'm sorry, I cut it off. That is the reason I don't give strike later on. Okay, because of decay factor. Okay, because of decay factor. So Bank Nifty future is not like that. It is the actual volume which you saw earlier, actual volume and the market momentum. Okay, based on the market momentum, it's very easy. This is a reason many people scared to go for options. They are very wise people. They stick to futures. Okay, this is a main reason. I know investment is ISER, but again, you know what you are entering into. But option is not like that. It's little confusing. It takes little time. Okay, it takes little time. That's it. Once you understand the market, you can play around with options. Nothing is impossible on earth. Okay, it is our mindset, our dedication, our commitment. This is why, I get up in the morning, I sit in the meditation. Okay, no matter I'm tired, I'm going to give what is the best I can give it. Okay, I think always positive. So that's the thing. So it's all about our mindset. But one thing, guys, whoever you're following, whatever the strategy you have, don't give up. Okay, try what is the best way. Okay, what is the best way? Because some people, they told, sir, I followed this, I followed that, I followed this and all. They've been messaging me. So when you're convinced to take somebody, strictly follow them. Okay, strictly follow them. Take the juice out of them. Okay, this is what I do. If they are busy, okay, don't wait for it. But take the juice out of them. Understand, okay, understand. Because learning never ends, never stops. One or the other way we need to experiment, guys, one or the other way. Because market, we can't say 100% that market, it came here, for example, it came here, okay, definitely it'll break and it'll come out. No, correct, it did not give up. So what we did, we waited, but due to the risk factor, we didn't take big risk like 200 points for 30 points. It went okay, but probability was lesser. Probability was lesser. So that's the reason when it broke this level, I gave that 30 points as a target. So we got one good trade. It went to 47 points, which is almost like 50. I think 50. Oh, let me recheck it. Yeah, close to 50. So it's a 50 level. So that is how we need to play with the probability ratio, because it's real time money. Okay. So market teaches us every day new things, because it goes new direction. It gives one candle at this level, one candle at that level. So it's all about probability and winning ratio. Okay, this has been explained in the new course which I launched yesterday. So please go through that. Okay, please go through that, so that might be a help whenever you guys have time. And guys, preferably see this application what I have taken from the third party. Okay, the web-based application. Okay, the iGrow Traders website application is being taken by third person. Okay, so try to use it as much as, and the system on the system, okay, on the computer, I mean to say. That is my humble request, because that works 100% there. Mobile, I don't know. They say, I checked with one of the person, Mr. Raj was saying he has an issue. So I was checking with the Graphy where I bought it. They said that software sir, update sir, this sir, that sir. Trust me, it did all my time there. I know you guys are trying to do that, and I'm really so sorry, because uh, this is out of my control. So once it is ready, I will definitely keep it posted in the Telegram. This is the main reason I keep Telegram live trade active. Whatever I get here, I post it there. Correct. So whatever I get it, I post it there. In case if you're not able to join due to mobile issue, network issue, or the application issue, whatever it is, I put it there so that you guys don't miss out something learning. Okay, it's some work from my side also, it's happening. Okay, so let's wait what market can give us today. Just give me a minute. Let me have some water. Market is within the pullback zone. Okay, just wait. And guys who have taken the course, look at the IB level. Initial balance level is pretty high. Okay, so you need to know which normal variation day or normal day, which strategy I can use on that. Okay, guys, this is on the candle 1 hour breakout. Okay, which I'm talking about, candle 1 hour breakout. So on a normal day, when the initial balance range is high, what you need to do, what you can expect, all that has been explained there. So let's wait. Let's not chase every candle. Okay. Yeah, it has all ought to tag the today's high. Yes, it has all ought to tag today's high. This is also a pullback zone. You need to be a little careful. Okay. Even if you make 30 points, guys, you need to have that peace of mind. Yes, I made my decision right. Yes, I entered right. Okay, that's very important. Please remember one thing, the market is within the value area. Okay, within the value area. There are days we made 1,000 points in one day also. Okay, which has been recorded in the YouTube. Okay, but remember, when these kind of a market is there, guys, can you see at the screen? When these kind of a market is there, it's not advisable. Okay, it is not advisable to take a big chance when this kind of a market is there within the area. So it's not advisable. Sorry, excuse me. Because if not today, tomorrow the market will break out. So you might have heard in a day the market moved all of a sudden 300 points, 200 points. That's because of open drive or open test drive. Okay, so those we need to follow certain guidelines there. So we need to identify which we can use on where. So it's playing within this range. This guy is playing within this range. This guy is playing within the range. Okay. So the volume is also neutral. Okay, for now. And keep the 37,800 PE in your watch list. Okay, just watch list. There are all odds it can pull back to 37,727. Okay, it can pull back there because it is dancing within the range, guys. Look at here. It's dancing within this range from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 days. Okay, guys, can you see here? This is how we make the range bonded days. Okay, range bonded days. This is how we make out. Is dancing at the proper, the future guys, magnetic future guys is dancing at proper support zone. Can you see here? It's taking 1 day, 2 day, 3 day support. Okay, I'm sorry, the graph from this guy, the upstock is, can you see here? It's dancing at the proper support. If it breaks this today's low, okay, you can expect 37,800 PE to go very big, very big. So let's wait. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, my throat is not that good, sir. I'm really sorry. Uh, can't help it. I'm trying my best. In the meantime, if you see I go on a mute because I take some water and then gargle, swallow, all that I'm doing it. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait. It's market teaches us patience. Okay, teaches us the patience. Patience is the weapon here. So we got one good trade. We got one good trade. So let's wait. But watch out, okay? See, watch out when we have this open drive or open test drive, easily we can see market moving 200, 300, 400 points, okay? So we need to wait for those kind of a market. Since today is a market within the range, okay? Market is within this range and is moving like like almost like stop loss hunting, but not exactly. Okay, so it's almost like the same kind of a moment is giving. Okay, so we need to be very careful. That's it. All right, again, it's coming back. It's dancing at the same level. Oh, I didn't share it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just sharing this. So this is what I was talking about. It is playing within this range. Okay, within this range. See, market sentiment is neutral. Though it moved, again it came back. Okay, see, this is, I call it as exhaustion zone. This is the exhaustion zone of buyers, exhaustion zone of buyers, which means there's no strong buyers or sellers. They pulled from this level. Okay, so here was an entry. If you know this two condition, okay, the conditions, the 1:1 ratio, you can try it, but don't try it big. Okay, it's all about saving your capital. This is a exhaustion zone. So this is diversion. Okay, this is called diversion. This is exhaustion zone. So this topic will be covered. This chapter will be adding up maybe by tomorrow or day after. So you guys can go through. Okay, so market is rotating even now. Okay, guys, don't mind. Okay, let's wind up the call. We got one good trade. We'll catch up tomorrow and we'll see what best can be done. I'll keep a tab on the trade. I will post it in the live trade group. We'll catch up soon by tomorrow. And please go through the new course. It's for you guys only. I spend a lot of time and got a lot of things there. It's there for you whenever you guys have a time. I would suggest you please go through. Maybe by looking at the topic, you might think, I know this already. Very good, It is like a refresher or, a revision or a recall or a recap, something like that. So spend some time, okay, go through that. It'll add a lot of value because our memory, it never gets faded up, okay? We forget, but the moment we see something, we recall. okay, till it goes to your subconscious. So I would say please spend some time, recall if you already know the topic, okay, and this will add something different there. In the end, I explained the support and resistant and like demand and supply zone. Okay, what is that 1:1 ratio? Very short. In short, I explained that, so that maybe it can add a value for your trading profile or a trading career or a trading system, whatever you consider as. Okay, so don't. I'm really sorry for my voice is a little roughy. Okay, again, my apologies on that, sir. Can't help it. Okay, so we'll catch up tomorrow. Happy trading, happy money. We got one good trade, and I'll post it in the group. Any more trades? So it's dancing at 5:10 again, 5:6. Okay, so let's wait for a good breakout and a good volume to come in. Okay, so happy learning, happy trading, happy money. Stay safe, save your capital. Don't do over trading. This is my humble request to everyone. Let's do it tomorrow as well. Okay, so take care. Have a wonderful day ahead. It's a Monday. Okay, so enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye bye.